GoMining is a Bitcoin cloud mining platform that offers a unique and transparent approach to Bitcoin mining. You can download the app on iOS, Android, and other app stores. The best thing about GoMining is that once you buy a miner, it's yours forever, with no hoops to jump through. While there are some limited time free options, this app is mainly made for paid investors, with the cheapest option at $21.99. Another cool thing is, unlike other cloud mining apps, if you use somebody's referral code, you get 5% off your first miner purchase. And the person who's getting their referral code put in gets a 5% bonus for any purchase that you make going forward. I put a link to GoMining with my referral code in the description. It's a great way to support the channel and I appreciate it greatly. So the first thing I really wanted to go over is the free bonus miner you get for signing up with the app. So if you go to your My Miners tab, and then scroll down a bit and you'll see a bonus miner with 16 terahash per second and 20 watts per terahash. And this miner can be activated by doing certain tasks. The first thing is joining a clan in Miner Wars, which I'll go over a little bit later. Next, enabling two-factor authentication gives you a day of mining. If you do buy a miner, there's an option to reinvest your earnings for GoMining tokens. I think it's worth doing that for a day for a free day of your bonus miner. If you do have a miner and upgrade it at all, you'll receive 2 free days of a bonus miner. If you do reinvest your rewards into more terahash per second for one of your miners, you'll also receive a bonus day for your bonus miner. This is why you'll see my power at 14.07 instead of 14. If you upgrade your efficiency at all, which can be done as cheap as $10, you'll also receive a bonus day for your miner. And last, if you hit the service button, which comes up every 24 hours, you do that for 10 days straight, and you'll receive a day for your bonus miner. So these are the free options to get you started. And at today's price, this miner would give you 287 sats for each day the bonus miner is active. So now let's take a look at my account. If you go to the dashboard tab, you'll see that I have made 280,045 sats in a little over a year of using the app. My power is 14.07 terahash per second, and my efficiency is 15 watts per terahash. The best efficiency the app provides. If you buy a miner with a power of 16 terahash per second with an efficiency of 15 watts per second, it's going to cost you about $460. My 14.07 terahash per second is just under 92% of 16. 92% of $460 is $422. So let's call it $425 to keep it easy. As of today, I've made $234.15, a 55% return on my investment of $425. I started with GoMining back in March of 2024, so I've been with them a little under a year and a month. I did do a week of Miner Wars just to try it out, but I found out that unless you're a large investor, you're really not going to get anywhere. I personally only received about half the rewards I normally would get from solo mining. GoMining withdrawals are automatic to your Trust wallet and get sent at intervals of 10,000 sats, which you can raise if you want. I personally like my Bitcoin in my wallet as soon as possible. If we head to my rewards tab, you can see my rewards are fluctuating due to Bitcoin's price, but also due to Bitcoin mining difficulty. Long story short, every 2 weeks, Bitcoin mining difficulty updates, resulting in more or less sats sent to the miners before electricity or maintenance costs. If you look a couple weeks ago, you can see the miners were giving me around 790 sats, compared to the 770s of today. What Bitcoin's price influences maintenance and service fees. If Bitcoin's price is lower, it takes more sats to pay those fees. Now let's head to the farm section of the My Miners tab. So now we're going to go over purchase options. So hit the plus sign in the middle of the screen. There are options starting as low as $21.99 for a 1 terahash per second, 20 watts per terahash miner, all the way up to a 5,000 terahash per second, 15 watt per terahash miner for $123,971.99. A cool thing about GoMining is when you're looking at purchasing miners, you can look at today's Bitcoin price up to $150,000. At our current price, you're looking at a 25.26 return on investment. But if you go to $150,000, that climbs all the way up to 85.94%. When you change it to yearly rewards, you can see that it takes 7,616 sats at a $150,000 Bitcoin price. But if you change that back to today's price, it's going to cost 13,602 sats. So you can see just how much Bitcoin's price determines all of this. As you can see, as you go up levels, your annual return on investment goes up, but it's not very much. If you take a quick look at my miner, apparently it's flashy. But it does have extra information on it if you're into that kind of thing. If you head to the Home tab and click Upgrade Miner, click the miner you want to upgrade, it'll give you some basic price points you can upgrade your miner with. But if you go to Customize Upgrade, you can build up your miner in 1 terahash per second increments. If you look at the list of levels, you can see what each terahash per second costs at each miner level. Now that we've gone over the investment portion of the app, let's look at the other features the app provides. As you invest more into the app, you unlock VIP status. My Silver status gives me a 0.9% reduction on my maintenance and electricity fees, as well as the ability to reinvest my rewards back into my miners. If you spend $10 in a week, you'll be put into a raffle drawing for an access key. Right now, with 4 days left, $9,866.72 will give you a 3.186% chance to win. So obviously, $10 doesn't give you a very high chance. But an access key will unlock an avatar for you. An avatar will give you a 5% discount on power upgrades and more. The humans give you automatic service, meaning you don't need to click your service button to keep your 3% discount. The crypt tiles help miner efficiency, but any miner that we can buy now is at minimum 20 watts per terahash, so I don't think this applies to any of us. And third is the Sentinels. The Sentinels give you a 20% discount on all boosts in Miner Wars. Obviously this doesn't apply to me, but it could be good if you are a user of Miner Wars. You can get an access key by earning Diamond MVP, or as I said before, winning that weekly raffle. Something cool to see in their total stats is that they have almost 7.5 million terahash per second computing power of purchased miners. Pretty crazy. There are some other features like governance and tokenomics, which I haven't done at all, so I can't break that down for you, unfortunately. Well, that's it for this review. While GoMining doesn't have the highest return on investment in the market, it still outpaces most investments, and is as secure as a cloud mining app that you can get. It's been around for a long time now, and I don't see it going anywhere. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. And if you want to help the channel, please use my GoMining referral code that you see on the screen. I appreciate you all for watching, and until next time, I'll see you up in the clouds.